Today, we're diving deep into a crucial topic for IVF clinics in India. How IVF clinics can use social media without violating advertising rules. Several statutes and guidelines regulate advertising practices for IVF clinics. The Assisted Reproductive Technology Regulation Act, 2021. Under Section 37, advertisements for sex-selective ART procedures are strictly prohibited. Section 38 mandates that no misleading claims about success rates or outcomes can be made. The Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques. Prohibition of Sex Selection Act, 1994. Section 22 prohibits any promotional content that directly or indirectly promotes sex selection. The Consumer Protection Act, 2019. According to Section 247, any false representation about the quality, standard, or success rates of RT procedures is an unfair trade practice. The Advertising Standards Council of India mandates that healthcare advertisements must not mislead, exploit fear, or capitalize on patients' lack of medical knowledge. Now that we know the laws, let's talk about the responsibilities IVF clinics have when creating social media content. There is a ban on misleading claims. Clinics must avoid statements like 100% guaranteed success or world's best IVF clinic. These are not just unethical but also illegal under the ART Act and Consumer Protection Act. Instead, share verifiable success rates backed by clinical data, and always include a disclaimer explaining that outcomes may vary based on patient factors. There is a prohibition on offering discounts or packages. Offering promotions like 50% off on IVF treatment or buy one cycle, get one free, violates ethical advertising standards and may contravene medical laws. There are some mandatory disclosures that every IVF clinic must do, include disclaimers in all posts about success rates, the risks involved, and the necessity of individual medical evaluations. Transparency is key. Avoid exploitative content. Avoid content that preys on the emotional vulnerabilities of infertile couples. For example, using phrases like, "Don't wait, act now to fulfill your dream of parenthood," could be construed as unethical. So how can IVF clinics use social media effectively while staying compliant? Let's explore some best practices. Follow content guidelines and focus on educational posts. Share evidence-based information about ART procedures, advancements, and common myths. If you use patient testimonials, ensure you obtain informed consent and include disclaimers that results may vary. Use a neutral tone. Avoid phrases like limited time offer or anything coercive. Compliance checklist. Never mention success guarantees. Terms like assured pregnancy are a strict no. Ensure all statistics are supported by clinical data. Secure explicit consent from patients before sharing their stories or images. Make sure your content aligns with their advertising policies and Indian laws. In some states, clinics must get promotional content approved by the State Art Board. Non-compliance with these laws can result in hefty penalties, which includes a fine of up to Rs 10 lakhs or cancellation of registration under the ART Act. Imprisonment of up to 3 years under the PCPNDT Act. Compensation for damages under the Consumer Protection Act. To summarize, IVF clinics can leverage social media to educate and connect with patients, but it's critical to comply with the ART Act, PCPNDT Act, and other regulations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medico-legal insights. Thank you for watching.